Okay, this is the '08 Hyundai Sonata 2.4. Alrighty. So, as far as the valve cover, it's very simple. These are all 10s. Okay, and then it's just, let's see, the coils. Okay, the 4 coils. And there's 2 10s for this. Okay, holds the coils in place. And then, okay, so the PCV valve, there, that hose. Alrighty, and then there's a hose here, goes to the air intake. Alright, so it's just a clamp I already did. That's it there. Okay. Let's see. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, it's kind of bright, of course, but see, I'm going to start spraying some brake cleaner along the bottom here and around. Okay, just to clean up, so when I take the valve cover off. Yeah, it's kind of close here. Yeah. Yeah, just along the back there too, just around. You know, just to clean it up, so when I take it off, less dirt, or hopefully no dirt, is gonna fall down there in the head, you know. So yeah, I'm being careful not to, you know, hit the electrical, the connectors and stuff like that. So I mean, the best you can, but couple times here. Okay. Lift these up. Yep. That's out of the way. Alright, so just doing 2 more things all the way around. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll just go around. I don't have to do any type of order. Should be just fine. Just loosen them up. Not too tight. Of course, it's plastic. So, just want to snug them up when you put it back on, that's all. Okay. So, let's see. So we'll see if they're different lengths too. Might be different lengths. Oh yeah, and the ones in the center. 10's in the center there too, so. They look to be all the same length, so for now anyway. Yeah, what I'm going to do is put all these in this block here. These ones. Back. So the outside ones are done. Let's go to the inside. 4 on the inside. Yeah, they look like the same length. But I think I'm going to keep these separate. I mean, it shouldn't really matter, but easy enough. Keep these separate. Just 4 for the inside. Okay. And double check in. Everything looks off. Holds out to me. Alright, so it's probably going to take a little bit of the screwdriver or something in there. Alright, so I'm just going to try this scraper. Just kind of lift up on different spots around. And it's going to take a little doing here. Yeah. So there's a little space here. And then I'm just going to go around the sides there. Hopefully I can get around the back. Well, we'll see. Yeah, there's not too much room, but go. Kind of twisting it. That. Get in here. Alrighty. So like I said, I went in here. Just kind of twisting a little bit around the corners carefully. Okay. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. First time having this off, so of course, or else the gasket would already be replaced. So, but yeah, got a leak somewhere. I was just smelling it, you know. Plus, it's going through oil. And then here's the other gaskets, the ones in the center. And then this one. It's not really too hard. But, I don't know, it's probably from '08, so yeah, time to replace it and I can clean around there. Okay, it's the new gasket. Let's see. That's the one from O'Reilly's. Okay, about 22 bucks ish. Okay. Pro looks like a decent one, so. Alright. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean up the cover here. And then with some brake cleaner, just go around the edges. Okay. So I'm just going around the edges. I got some brake cleaner on a towel. And then you kind of see like right here, there's dirt. So I'm going around the edge carefully to knock the dirt out, not in like that. Okay. Then the same here, just was careful. Clean it very carefully down around the edges. Alright. Yeah, so around the edges, I wiped the towel paper towel. Okay, and brake cleaner, went around the edges twice. Okay, just to knock the dirt out, not in. So, and then just kind of inspect it, see if anything fell in there. Then also for the spark plugs, little gaskets there where the bolts I cleaned a couple times with brake cleaner. Okay, pulled that off. Here's the new deal. Okay, so it's gonna go something like that. You can tell because where the bolts are. Okay, and then in the end there's no bolt, so it's going to sit just like that. Okay, then for the valve cover, fits in. You can see this little curve here. Okay, that's how you can tell, and then you just kind of slide it in place all the way around. Yeah, this one definitely is softer when you take the whole one out. I mean, you kind of knew it wasn't the best being that old, but once you feel the new one, you definitely could see, yeah, it's obviously better. So, alright, so I'll go ahead and put that on there, go from there. Alright, so that's how it looks. Yeah, so this is just going to fit right in there like that. And then this one, it's stuck to the head, so it wasn't in place. It came off. It was stuck to the head. I had to peel it off. So, but yeah, that fits in easily. And the other gasket. All right, so got it back together. Okay. PCV valve, hose back there, other hose to here. Okay, coils and the tins for here. All that's good. So with all the valve cover bolts, I just went around, snugging them up about 5 times around till they're just snug, not too tight, but so I went ahead and used this 10mm little tool there, so this way you're not really torquing them too much with this tool. You just want to go around and snug them up. So yeah, so it's not too bad of a job. So hey, thanks for watching, subscribing, take care. All right, bye now.